Good morning. Welcome to the Git Go. I am here in my vegan kitchen in Fort Collins, Colorado, getting ready for Sunday breakfast. And not going to bother cleaning up this mess for this video. I made some pasta noodles last night. It was so delicious. And I made a big mess, but I have to bake bread today, so it's just going to get even messier, so no point sweeping it. But I am making, I'm having banana bread for breakfast, which I made, and it's so delicious. I had a bunch of ripe bananas. I put a little barley flour, a little white flour, some oil and baking powder and salt, and I used no sweetener. Traditional sweetener. I did use I have all these dried apples, which I've been trying to figure out how to use, and so I soaked them a little bit and then blended them up to make a really thick and sweet applesauce, and I used them in the recipe, and it's so good. So I'm going to heat up a big piece of this for myself and put some peanut butter on top for some protein to get me through the morning, and some chocolate chips on top, which of course, you know, I have to have. So anyway, then I have to go outside and do some cool stuff. So join me for that in a little bit. Okay, it's a moody day, lots of wind, lots of leaves everywhere, and I have another crazy project that I'm going to play with. As you know, I like to use things that are lying around. In this case, I want to use things that are growing around. Sunflower stalks are ubiquitous, right, Pierre? So I went across the street and I culled a whole bunch of sunflower sticks, and of course I cut the tops off. So my crazy plan is, I was thinking of making sort of a bamboo decking floor for the bathroom downstairs, like modular squares with bamboo slats on top. But then I realized these sunflower sticks get really hard. You let them sit around the yard for a year, and the next year they're quite hard, and they would last quite a while. I'm not a big fan of total permanence and everything. In fact, I could have a whole house made out of paper mache, and I would enjoy that. So if you're looking for permanent stuff, don't ever watch my videos. you go. Wouldn't you like to walk on this in the bathroom with your bare feet? I made the legs kind of long so I could trim them down. I think this is a great way to tile a bathroom. It's the first prototype. What can I say? Hey, I'm escaping today. I'm up here saying adios to my little muchacho. Pierre has to man the fort today. I'm going to Boulder. Gonna go hiking with a dear friend and wonderful person who loves my work, bringing her a painting for consideration. And I'm going to visit another friend who has a new studio he just set up. And I got out my e-newsletter, which I've been trying to do for a million years. And I'm almost done with Stanley's house for the winter. So I'm psyched. Yay! Time to go play. Right? You'll be good while I'm gone. I'll be back tonight.
It's a good exercise for my eyes.
It's so difficult.
I can never really see what's on the screen.
Yeah, I kept both my jackets.